Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find slope of a property using Google Earth. So in order to do this, first of all, open Google Earth. After opening Google Earth, log in. You will see the Google Earth's dashboard. Here, search for your property under the search bar at the top left. Then click on search and navigate to the view of your property. For example, this is a property that I want to find the slope of. So I will simply search for the property. It will show up here. Then step 1 will be clicking on the measure tool. Now double click on it and make sure the mouse navigation button is turned on. That is this small checkbox. Make sure this is checked. After doing this, you will see that your cursor is turned to a square. Now you'll have to left click from the starting point, then take the point to the end of the property. Now this will make a clear line. Here, you'll have to click on the save button that you'll see just right here. After clicking on save, you will see this pop up. Here, you'll have to just name this line that we just created and I will click on OK. Now, this saved this line with the name I had chosen. So I'll right click on the name that you will see under the places. If you don't see this, double click on the small measure icon and you will see the name appearing just at the left. Just right click on the name that you just saved and click on show elevation profile. And as you can see, I'm easily able to see the visual representation of the slope for this property. So the lowest point is 5,860 feet for this property and the highest point will be 5,975 feet. So you can see if this property's slope is suitable for building or not. And this will be the visual representation for your property. You can see the average slope, the max slope, the elevation gain or loss and the range totals just right here. So that is the simple way to see the visual representation of your property. That is finding the slope of a property using Google Earth Pro. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.